Welcome, this is Dr. Dan McKenna. The recording you're about to listen to has been designed to program your mind with positive ideas that will enhance your ability to relax your mind and body comfortably. First, make yourself comfortable. If you have any restrictive clothing, loosen them now. If you're sitting in a chair, place your hands, palms down on your lap. If you're lying down, separate your legs 8 to 10 inches with your arms down by your sides. Notice a spot in the ceiling or wall and just allow all of your awareness to be on that single spot for just a moment. As you breathe and begin to relax, you may notice that your awareness of that spot changes. Take a deep, easy breath in, and as you exhale slowly, just sleep now. The way that spot looks, the texture, the way that light touches it, the shadows, and many interesting things about the smallest detail of that spot. Now, you may have noticed that you're focusing on that spot, your body's relaxing a little bit more, and you may already be aware of how heavy your arms are and also your legs. Maybe you've noticed most of all that your breathing has slowed down, becoming very slow, easy, and comfortable. Take another deep, easy breath in, and as you exhale slowly, just sleep now. Allow your breath to become calm and rhythmic. As your breathing becomes even more relaxed, your body will begin to feel more relaxed. And the next thing you may notice is how heavy your arms are right now. It might just seem that the more you focus on your arms, the more relaxed they become, the heavier they feel. At any moment, your eyes may want to close down, and that's fine. Just let them relax when they're ready. Now, continue to notice the spot. If your eyes are closed, you'll notice a spot inside your eyelids. And continue to notice how heavy your arms are, and notice how relaxed your breathing has become. So soft and gently, so easy, that it almost begins to feel as if each breath in naturally leads to the next breath out, and that breath out easily leads to the next breath in. Each breath in naturally leads to the next breath out, and that breath out easily leads to the next breath in. It may begin to feel as if your breath is becoming more of a circle of breath, as each breath in leads gently to the next breath out, and that breath out leads to the next breath in. Now, notice how naturally that is happening for you. Begin to feel as if your breath is a continuous relaxing circle. The more you breathe, the more relaxed your body becomes, and your eyes may become so heavy and tired that you find it harder and harder to keep them open, unless you have already allowed them to close down all the way. Relaxing your eyelids even more, and letting that relaxation travel into all the muscles of your face. You may already be thinking about how good all that feels. A gentle wave of relaxation and heaviness floats down through your face, all the way down to the very bottom of your feet. Just let go. A little bit further now, and just continue breathing in and out. As you continue to breathe slowly and naturally, imagine that any thoughts or memories that are running through your consciousness appears as bubbles, about to float up and out of your consciousness. Be aware of these thoughts, but do not hold on to them. Just watch as they float on by. Relax and let go. Relax and let go. Just like that. Relax and let go. Now that you're allowing yourself to relax deeper and even deeper, open wide your subconscious mind to become open and receptive to the suggestions that you'll be hearing during this powerful a simple relaxation experience. And soon, very soon, you're going to find yourself thinking differently about swallowing. You'll also become a much calmer, more relaxed, and much more confident person as you enjoy the feeling of being in control. I know that you've had difficulty swallowing at times, and this is the reason why you're here today, to solve this problem. People normally swallow hundreds of times a day in order to eat solids, drink liquids, and swallow the normal saliva or mucus that the mouth produces. The process of swallowing has 4 stages. The first is food or liquid is chewed and manipulated in preparation for swallowing. The second is when the tongue propels the food or liquid to the back of the mouth, starting the swallowing response. Then the food or liquid is quickly passed into the swallowing tube. In the final stage, the food or liquid passes down into the stomach. The last 2 phases we have no control over, but the first 2 are the ones that we have been causing us problems. For some reason, you're just too tense to allow anything down your throat, and your mind is telling you that you can't swallow, when really there is no problem at all. Now, we need to reduce that anxiety in order to prevent you from reacting the way that you do. So let yourself drift deeper and deeper down, drifting and becoming drowsy, drifting down, down and down into total relaxation, drifting deeper and deeper. You feel safe and relaxed, very comfortable, drifting deeper and deeper down. Because you're so very relaxed, you can be aware of the smallest movement of your body, both inside and outside your body. And you're very conscious of the steady rhythm of each breath, breathing gently and slowly. Now I'd like you to let a picture form in your mind of a beautiful mountain scene. Slowly let that picture form in your mind until you find yourself sitting down, perhaps on a large stone, by a roaring waterfall that is flowing down the side of the mountain. You can hear birds singing from nearby wood and leaves blowing in the breeze. The sun is shining down in the water, producing wonderful ripples of light. There's a soft scented perfume drifting in the wind, perhaps from a patch of beautiful wild mountain flowers or mountain berries, and you can hear the breeze gently blowing through the trees, as well as the powerful sounds of the waterfall. Now and again you'll hear little sounds in the distance. The air up here is very clean, very fresh, a million miles away from the smoggy cities. It's very peaceful here, and you can feel very calm and relaxed. You watch a deer. It's drinking from the pool of water nearby, and now and again it raises its head as it's drinking to look around. And then it spots you. The deer runs away as it's in fright, perhaps thinking you mean to hurt it. The deer promptly disappears amongst the trees as if it has never been there. If you had been that deer in the same situation, imagine what the old you would have done. You would have stood there, too busy worrying about swallowing the water to notice any predator creeping up upon you. And yet, the deer that you saw used her natural flight or fright response to help her to escape. Her heart was pounding as the blood flow from her muscles increased. The flow of blood into her digestive system was cut off, and her body immediately released enough adrenaline to allow her to flee to safety. And by escaping into the forest, she managed to save her life. As humans, we sometimes also feel threatened, but rarely are. These life threats, like those of animals, we face every day. And because we can't always get into a flight situation or run away from a situation, those responses remain locked within us for a period of time. and we may even begin to fear our body's own natural responses. But being aware of these responses, we can immediately discharge them, freeing ourselves of the feeling of anxiety which they generate. And every time you discharge your worry about swallowing, you immediately feel very proud of yourself, and this reinforces the positive cycle. All you need or want to do is to relax. And you can relax your body whenever you feel anxious, and you can breathe deeply and calmly. The air will push deep into your abdomen, deep down. You can take slow, deep breaths to regulate your breathing, and then slowly let go, while at the same time telling yourself to feel calm and relaxed. And when you feel calm and relaxed, swallowing will become easy and natural. And if you ever feel any old anxiety creeping up on you, all you need to do is take a deep breath to remind yourself that you can regulate your breathing and you can relax. Relax your whole body. If you ever have problems swallowing, you can check your body for tension. You will check your shoulders, your neck, letting your shoulders droop and relax. You check your jaws, letting your jaw hang loosely and loosely. Check your forehead, letting it become smooth and relaxed. You check your abdomen, letting each breath relax your stomach, each deep breath relaxing your stomach more and more deeply. You can relax any part of your body that feels tension. If you are anxious, you will check and relax any tension in your body. You know that you are in charge. You have the tools and the knowledge to let all this anxiety go. From this moment forward, you find that you can swallow with easily and with confidence. That is now an automatic process. You will not think about it. You do not need to think about it. It just happens. You're so proud of yourself for your ability to take control over the situation. Remember, the more relaxed you are, the wider your throat will become, and whatever you are swallowing will glide down with ease. As long as you believe you can do it, the rest will just happen by itself. And there's just nothing to stop you now. You are confident at swallowing, it just comes naturally. The power to swallow is all in your mind, and now, today, you have conquered that old fear of yours. When you wake up, you will be fully awake, feeling rested and refreshed. You will be happy that you have found a way to control your anxiety and finally be able to swallow freely without having any worry anymore. You will practice relaxation until you can do it almost without thinking. When you wake, you will feel fully rested, feeling happy and confident in your ability to control your own body and mind. And these suggestions are firmly embedded in your subconscious mind, and they go stronger and stronger day by day. In just a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 5, and then I'm going to say fully aware. At that time, you will be fully aware, feeling good in every way. Number 1, you are easily, calmly, and gently returning to your full awareness once again. Number 2, each muscle, nerve, and fibre is growing loose, limp, and relaxed, and you feel good. Number 3, you're coming up more now, feeling perfect in every way. Number 4, your eyes begin to feel sparkling clear, as if they've been bathed in cool spring mountain water. Your mouth is fresh, clean, and moist. On the next number, your eyes open, and they are then calm, refreshed, and alert. Number 5, eyes wide open now. Take a long, deep breath, fill up your lungs.